Wow. Awesome. Right, legends, I'm here in Sapian Capiz. Have just arrived and it looks like we've just received a hollow block delivery, so another 100 or 200 pieces of hollow blocks for our dream home building project here in the Philippines. Morning, Bert. Hi, kapoy casa. The shoulder's hurting from all the carrying of the wood. So it looks like we received another 2 cubic of sand. Duwaka cubic gap. Oh, pilaka 200. So 200 hollow blocks and 2 cubic of sand, which Boss Nanti is also running through the ayag. So the menu this afternoon is chicken soup.
Chicken manok.
Chicken soup with malunggay. for the vitamins. Boss Nanti is running the ayag. We've got 2 cubic of sand to do, and all of the impurities or the stone will be added to our stone pile. Jerson is cooking. If you've seen vlogs 165 Legends part 1 and part 2, you'll all know that we also we removed the wood that we had treated at the Roldan family farm, and I brought it over here now, so it's stocked safely with our cement. Oh, we also have some pit chai. Pit chai, Shah? Oh, they have a nice lunch today. Chicken soup with vegetables, pit chai and malunggay. So this is another close-up of our wood pile. And as I mentioned in that vlog, these bits of wood will be used for the door frames, the doors, the steps on the staircase, and then the other natural elements that we wish to add in the design. It's Monday. It's the beginning of a brand new week here at the job site. We have a few of our team missing as a result of yesterday's hard work. If you saw that vlog, you'll know that the gang worked tirelessly, the younger members, for this wood to be delivered here. So I understand that they need a day off or a morning off. So some of them will arrive this afternoon and some of them will start tomorrow. Okay, on with the vlog. Right, so we're on the next floor up from the ground floor, and we have some concrete mixtures. One's for inside the hollow blocks, and looks like Joba is in the process of making a new one for the center for laying the hollow blocks. It's a more thicker consistency, more sand, less water, half a sack of cement. You'll see one that's already open. Si Foreman Rocky is here. Kumusta mo day off, boss? Okay lang? Si Jan sa electrical team is here. So more work with the electrics is happening, no doubt. And you can see it's gotten very dark in here. The work on laying these hollow blocks continues on this floor. It looks to have yeah, I mean, let's have a look. Yeah, if you've seen previous vlogs, Nuno Joven has already closed up this wall. It's awesome, awesome work. Hanoi.
Hello.
Ay, kumusta imo day off, Tanoy?
Okay, boss.
Kumusta imo pamilya?
Okay lang, boss.
Good, good. So Tanoy looks like he's working on the outside wall, trying to find that dowel rod. If he can't find it, he'll have to chip away to the ring and add a dowel rod in, and that all just supports the wall that's being erected. And it looks like there'll be a small window in there as well, small ventana. And it looks like he will also center this wall because there's a guide string there. So yeah, we'll continue with that. Work looks good. I love the shiny steel deck. You'll notice some of the red paint or the red lead is on there, and that's just protecting the welding work, because as you weld, the galvanized steel becomes ungalvanized, so we have to further protect it from the elements. It does look quite dark though. More of the electrical work, legends, that Jan is doing. Very nice work done. Looks like he'll be starting on this outlet as well, this electrical outlet. Each room has a minimum of 2 outlets. Each outlet has a pair, so 4 sockets. I'm trying my best not to use extension cables. Remember, legends, to follow the Miles Roldan YouTube channel, or subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button if you are enjoying the content. Hit that share button, and as well as that, Remember to follow Miles Roldan on all social media platforms, including TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. So Foreman Rocky is building additional scaffolding using bamboo. Just so, well, in this case he's removing some bamboo so he can keep laying hollow blocks down. but he's also putting a platform so he can stand safely while he lays the wall. We have around 9 days until these supports holding the steel deck slab above us can be removed. Time just flies since that big pour. We're looking around the 20-day mark, 3 weeks since the pour, and it'll be safe for us to remove these supports from underneath the steel deck. They're the only supports left. I mean, I'm quite confident that they're fine now, but I'm following what the foreman is suggesting of a minimum of 20 days, 21 days, 3 weeks. Hi, isa ka labor, duwa ka. Diin si half day? Half day siya? Hi, ikaw, wala half day? Perfect attendance? Imo na lang now, perfect. Si Baybay perfect, ag si Nonoy half day. Hi. Si half day, kuno ko ng tulog.
Nandun tayo sa urapon.
Oh, siyempre. So, but saying that his labour buddy Gibson, half day, Nunoy Gibson is Lutoy from yesterday, tired from yesterday's work. And yeah, this is the after effects or the aftermath of hauling all of the mahogany that you saw downstairs from our bukid or our boondocks, our family farm. Nothing here comes easy. Everything has to be organized and planned and moved yourself. I hope you're enjoying vlog 166 Legends. If you have any questions regarding what you're seeing in today's vlog, hit that comment section with some kind words and I will most definitely get back to you. I've had some trollers on my channel recently and it's quite simple. I just remove the comment and ban you. So you can be mean if you wish. There's another 10mm rebar. that is being tied onto the dowel rod at the column, at the pillar, with steel alumbri, with steel wire. It will go all along this this row of hollow blocks, and it will end here at the window. You see it bend. Just adds a bit of structural integrity to the wall, a bit of engineering. Every third row there needs to be a 10 mm rod or rebar that comes across the wall that further strengthens it. Right, legends, thank you so much for tuning in to vlog 166 on the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. That's it. It's in the can now. I'm gonna go try and edit it now. If you enjoyed this content, please hit that like button, hit that share button, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, please continue to support my journey here in the Philippines. If you're one of my ongoing supporters, thank you so much. I do this all for you. Please continue to support me here in the Philippines. With all that being said, I hope you will see me, or I hope to see you in vlog 167. Vlog 167 is next. It's me, myself, and I, Miles Roldan. Thanks for watching.